Whispers of petals in morning light, softly they dance a delicate flight. In gardens where elegance grows, every bloom a secret shows. Colors blend in gentle streams, crafting the fabric of dreams. Bouquet bliss, a silent embrace, luxury woven in nature's grace. Calm and pure, a floral kiss, wrapped in the art of peaceful bliss. Through quiet halls where beauty lies, scented tales beneath open skies, European charm in every fold, a story of flowers forever told. Soft petals fall, the day's gentle end in bouquet bliss, where hearts mend, serene and bright, a timeless art. Luxury blooms within the heart. Soft petals in the morning light, whispers of a dream taking flight. Gentle hands with care they weave, stories in blooms we all believe. Colors dance a tender art, luxury blooms straight from the heart. Bouquet bliss, a fragrant song where elegance and calm belong. Every stem and every leaf crafts a world beyond belief. Silk and velvet in the air, nature's charm beyond compare. Soft embrace of petals bright, in this garden pure delight. Bouquet bliss, a fragrant song where elegance and calm belong. Every stem and every leaf crafts a world beyond belief. In every bloom a story told of grace and beauty, rich and bold, a symphony in soft refrain. Luxury flows like gentle rain. Bouquet bliss, forever true, a floral dream coming through. Calm and pure, a tender kiss, wrapped in endless bouquet bliss.